Looking for a PC case that not only looks amazing but keeps your system cool under pressure? The CORSAIR 5000D delivers just that, offering plenty of space, versatile cooling options, and smart design features that make your build both a breeze and a showpiece. What sets the 5000D apart is its ability to handle serious cooling setups. It comfortably supports multiple 360mm radiators, so your high-performance components stay chill even during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The steel front panel is optimized for high airflow, pushing massive amounts of fresh air through your system to maximize cooling efficiency. Cable management is often a headache, but CORSAIR's RapidRoute system changes the game. It channels all your main cables through a single hidden pathway with an easy-access hinged door. Plus, there's a generous 25mm of space behind the motherboard tray to neatly tuck away cables, giving your build a clean, professional look without sacrificing airflow. Inside, the case comes with two 120mm airguide fans that use anti-vortex vanes to focus airflow exactly where it's needed. The motherboard tray is flexible, too, allowing you to mount up to three 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator on the side. This gives you multiple cooling configurations to match your build style and performance needs. One satisfied builder from the U.S. called the 5000D a fantastic midsize case that's super fun to build in. They highlighted how the roomy interior fits modern graphics cards and water cooling pipes comfortably, even with plans to upgrade to larger, next-gen GPUs. The extra space and thoughtful design made cable management a challenge but ultimately rewarding, resulting in a clean and impressive setup. If you're serious about PC building and want a case that matches your passion, the 5000D is worth the investment. It's leagues ahead of entry-level cases, offering quality and flexibility that will keep pace with your upgrades for years to come. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a high-end workstation, this case gives you the space, airflow, and organization you need. If that sounds like the case you've been searching for, it's worth a look. The CORSAIR 5000D combines style, cooling performance, and smart cable management into one solid package. Try it when you're ready to elevate your build to the next level.